This is not random. It raises a fundamental, unavoidable question. Why is it that it is only when elections draw near insecurity surges across the land? Pattern analysis of the last 3 election cycles shows the same signature. A sharp spike in kidnapping, banditry, and coordinated arson. This is not coincidence. This is coordination. The allegation. This recurring trend points to a deliberate, sustained effort by elements within the oppositions who are determined to destabilize our nation for crude political advantage. The consistent timing of these security breaches strongly suggests they are being fueled and sustained to create fear, confusion, and distrust among the people. We therefore allege with full conviction and supporting intelligence that certain actors within the oppositions are complicit in sponsoring and fueling insecurity as a strategy to weaken the state and discredit the government. This is not merely reckless, it is dangerous to the very survival of Nigeria. A warning to the destabilizers. Let this message be unmistakable to all involved in this destructive enterprise, that there will be no election. There will be no election without Nigeria. If insecurity is allowed to destroy the nation, then the very election they seek to influence will cease to exist. No ambition, no political calculation, no quest for power is worth the collapse of our country. Let us clearly and firmly, if this desperation is not checked immediately by the security agencies, Nigeria will face a simultaneous food, economic, and constitutional crisis which it may never recover. No immigration will hold over a nation on fire. The consequences might consume Nigeria. The consequences will not might consume Nigeria. They will plug us into an irreversible crisis, and ultimately they will consume those who unleashed them. Those who seek to gamble with the peace and stability of this country must desist immediately. Enough is enough. The combination of national security and military leadership. At this critical time, we must also recognize and commend the unwavering commitment of the National Security Advisor, Malami Ribado, and the service chiefs, most especially the Chief of Defense Staff, General Olufemi Oluyede, and the Chief of Army Staff, General Y.D. Shaibu. Their leadership, courage, and sacrifice have continued to inspire confidence within the armed forces and among Nigerians. Since they took the command and following achievements stand out, hundreds of kidnapped citizens have been rescued without ransom payment in several operations. Major bandits and terrorists enclaves across the country have been dismantled and occupied by troops. The dreaded terrorists of the Lake Chad region have been pushed to the fringes and denied freedom of action through sustained air and ground offensives. The morale of the rank and file have been visibly rebuilt. Soldiers now receive timely support, battlefield rewards, and reinforcements. The era of abandoning troops to die without backup has ended.